Hey viewers, welcome back to the channel. I've got something really cool to show you guys. We have built a unique transfer system specifically made for methanol. Stay with me. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go find Ruben. I'm gonna ask him to walk us through some of the light specs on this system. So let's go find him.
It's a compact unit, explosion proof, class 1 div 1 or class 1 div 2, depending on your area, but explosion proof switch, armored cable, and explosion proof 110 plug short to comply with the rules. Besides that, it's a 4-to-1 gear, Dixon pump, 30 GPM, TCS meter, explosion proof for 70-30 methanol. Anodized interior on the pump for any water content that's in the fluid itself. But besides that, just a robust, sturdy, small, compact system.
All right guys, thank you for staying with us on this video. This unit was specifically made to be a mobile unit. So if that is your world where you're blending different products, this one in particular, methanol, we can help you. So thank you for staying with us on this particular video, and I'll see you guys at the next one.